Okay. Uh, my name is G. Kurumaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Qualification, Vanapati. Now we discuss about preparation of carboxylic acids, monocarboxylic acids. That is first preparation from alkyl benzene. Preparation of carboxylic acids. That is from alkyl benzene. From alkyl benzene. So it is also very simple reaction from alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene on oxidation in presence of acidic potassium dichromate or basic potassium permanganate to form carboxylic acid. If alkyl benzene, if you take alkyl group, alkyl benzene, దీని ఆల్కైల్ బెంజీన్లో ఆక్సిడేషన్ అనేది ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉన్నా సరేనండి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఎప్పుడైనా ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ ఎంతన్నా ఉండాలి. బట్ ఈ యాసిడిక్ పొటాసియం డైక్రోమేట్ అండ్ బేసిక్ పొటాసియం పర్మాంగనేట్ ప్రజెన్స్లో ఆక్సిడేషన్ చేస్తే కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడే వస్తుంది. గ్రూప్ అంతా కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్గా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. దీని ఆన్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కాంపౌండ్ in presence of K2 Cr2 O7 oblique H plus or second one, that is KMNO4 oblique OH minus to form carboxylic acid, that is COOH. It is alkyl benzene. It is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is formed. ఈ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ ఎంతన్నా ఉండాలి, బట్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ గ్రూప్గా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది ఈ రియేషన్ ప్రాసెస్లో ఆక్సిడేషన్ చేస్తే. If you take that is another example of this compound, CH2 if CH3, what may be ethyl benzene. It is ethyl benzene. So on oxidation of K2 Cr2 O7 oblique H plus, second one KMNO4 oblique OH minus to form benzoic acid. That's enough. Benzoic acid. COOH. Benzoic acid is formed. Okay. Benzoic acid is formed. It is another preparation. Next preparation from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. This is also a very simple reaction. Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide, and it is undergoes hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid. Hydrolysis reaction. So if we take any Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, that is Grignard reagent. If react with carbon dioxide, C double bond O, there is a C double bond O, carbon dioxide. So to form here, here bonded electron goes to oxygen, negative positive charge, but here bond fusion takes place. Here negative, it is a positive charge. So what happened here? This positive charged carbon always addition with negative charged carbon. Positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay. That is R C double bond O R O MgX. MgX. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means react with water molecule. It is react with water, HOH. React with water. So what happened here? Bond fission is takes place. Here positive, negative, here positive charge. OH minus react with magnesium, H plus reaction with oxygen to form carboxylic acid. That is a C double bond O OH plus hydroxy magnesium halide. Magnesium halide. It is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is formed. Carboxylic acid. It is one preparation. Now we discuss about any example of this reaction. That is example methyl magnesium halide means or Br or I what will be Br. This react with carbon dioxide C double bond O here O CO2. Here also same. It is CH3 and C here double bond O oxygen MgBr. It is an undergoes hydrolysis reaction. That is H2O. Very simple reaction. So what happened here? CH3 OH or C double bond O plus hydroxy magnesium bromide. Hydroxy magnesium. It is a acetic acid. Acetic acid is formed. It is a preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Next, another from alkyl cyanide. And hydrolysis of alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides. Next preparation. From alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanides. It is also a very simple reaction. Hydrolysis of alkyl cyanides to form amides. It is also undergoes hydrolysis reaction to form carboxylic acids. Alkyl cyanide, that is a RCN. Alkyl cyanide. And react with water. Hydrolysis means react with water to form here. That is R C double bond O and H2. It is amide. Amide is formed. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. That is H2O. React with hydrolysis. So to form here R C double bond O OH. That is a carboxylic acid plus NH3. Carboxylic acids. carboxylic acid is formed. If you take an example of this reaction, it is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. Cyanide. On hydrolysis of methyl cyanide to form acetamide. Acetamide, that is CH3, C double bond O NH2. C double bond O NH2. It is a acetamide. Acetamide is formed. It is also further on undergoes hydrolysis to form acetic acid, CH3, COOH plus NH3. It is acetic acid. Acetic acid is formed. Acetic acid. So another reaction, that is before any reactions, that second reaction, C6H5 and Cl. Cyanobenzene it is, or phenyl cyanide, what may be? Phenyl cyanide and react on hydrolysis to form benzamide, C6H5 and C double bond O NH2. Benzamide is formed. It is also further undergoes hydrolysis react with water to form C6H5 COOH SNH3. This is a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is one type of preparation. Now another discussion from hydrolysis from ester. From ester. Esters. So it is esters and hydrolysis of ester to form carboxylic acid. It is also very simple reactions. On hydrolysis of esters, we take ester C double bond O or it is a general formula of ester. If react with H2O to form, that is RCOOH plus ROH. This carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is formed. If you take another reaction, example, if you take any example of this compound, any example, that is CH3, C double bond O and O, C2H5. It is a ethyl acetate. React with water, that is a hydrolysis reaction to form acetic acid, that is a CH3 COOH plus C2H5OH. That is acetic acid is formed. Acetic acid is formed. Okay. Next, another type of reaction, we discuss preparation of carboxylic acid. Another reaction, that is okay. Next reaction, 1,1 trihaloalkane. From 1,1 trihaloalkane. Trihaloalkane. 1,1 trihaloalkane. That is 1 comma 1 comma 1 trihaloalkane. From 1,1,1 trihaloalkane. It is a very simple reaction. That is a half and X, here X, here X. That is 1 comma 1 comma 1 trihaloalkane. It is reacted with aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide, aqueous solution of KOH, aqueous solution of KOH to form or COH, OH, ROH. You know already what happened here, minus 3kx. So ఒకే కార్బన్ పైన ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూప్ ఉండొద్దని మనకు తెలుసు. ఉంటే అది అన్స్టేబుల్గా ఉంటుంది, ఏమంటే వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ విడిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్స్టేబుల్ కాంపౌండ్. Unstable. Stable. So what happened? H plus and OH minus is eliminated. Minus H2O. Minus H2O to form R C double bond O here OH. It is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is formed. Carboxylic acid. It is one preparation. Next, I discuss about physical properties of carboxylic acids. Physical properties. These are preparations. Preparations are completed. Now we discuss another example. Another example. That is CH3 and Cl, FCl, FCl. 1 comma 1 comma 1 trichloroethane, trichloroethane, and react with aqueous KOH, aqueous KOH to form here also, that is CH3 and OH, then OH. So what happened here? It is an unstable compound. H plus is eliminated. Now this H plus OH minus. So minus water H2O. That is CH3, C double bond O, OH. That is acetic acid. Acetic acid is formed. This preparation methods of carboxylic acids. Now we discuss about physical properties. Physical properties. So it is a very important physical property, that is the melting boiling points are more carboxylic acid. Why? Because these carboxylic acids have a dimer formation. You know dimer. Dimer means two molecules of same molecule compounds bonded with each other to form a one compound, that is called dimer. That process is known as a dimerization. So the dimer structure is, that is, if you take carboxylic acid dimer, that is C double bond O, here O H, it is C R, here O H, and double bond O. So what happened? It is between this oxygen and hydrogen have a one hydrogen bond. Due to these hydrogen bond, carboxylic acids form a dimer. It is a dimer structure. Dimer. Due to this dimer, the carboxylic acids melting boiling points are more than the another same molecular weight hydrocarbons. Okay. Now tomorrow I discuss about chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Okay.